Hello, it's Angeline here. Do you have lots and lots of Nuvo Drops just lying around? Well, today's card, I'm gonna be having lots of fun with it by using tons of it. So first off, for this stem, I call it this cute Cuddlebug Otter by Unity stem. And I'm grabbing my Nuvo Drops here in glitter, jewel, and crystal. And in all different shades of blues, and I'm just kind of aligning my Otter here to see where I want to do my water swirls. And first I'm grabbing the darker shade here and just swirling it around, creating these water swirls that kind of like looks like the otter is swimming on. So, and then I'm grabbing the lighter shade and just mixing it all together to add some glitter in. I'm also adding some dots here in different sizes to add more interest to the card. Once you're done, just let it dry, and here is my finished card. I hope you enjoy this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!